Hello everyone, welcome to Globsin Business School National Campus at Amtala. We would have loved to have all of you here, but unfortunately because of the lockdown, we could not have you here on the induction day. So, we planned a short walkthrough video for all of you. Here, you will see most of the features and facilities that are available at this campus for your glorious 2 years of education at Globsin. First, let's go to the server room. This is where the entire IT infrastructure of the campus is exhibited. This is the faculty cubicle and the faculty room. Here the faculty are discussing different things. This is our conference room where a long meeting is now going on. Come, let's go and meet them.
Hello, my dear students. I am Dr. Shubhi Chattopadhyay, Dean and Principal of Globsin Business School. On behalf of the entire team of Globsin Business School, I extend hearty welcome to the PGDM and PGP IB 2021-23 batch.
Hi, welcome to the faculty room.
Hello dear students, hope all of you are doing well. Looking forward to see you all.
Hello students, welcome and hope to see you soon.
I'm hopeful that our class interactions will be great. Now, let me take you all to the library. Come. We are in the GBS Central Library now, also called the World Library. We have more than 6,000 books and regular periodicals coming in here. We have access to the research documentation across the world through our subscription to the EBSCO Business Elite program. During the period of pandemic, we have made it accessible from your homes too. Besides, we have added nearly 2,500 to our e-library, which also will be accessible from your home.
Hello students, this is our prestigious Globsin Management Journal. This journal is indexed in a number of reputed national and international databases like EBSCO, ProQuest, then you have WorldCat, ICI, JGate and several other indexing databases. In fact, a number of foreign faculty as well as Indian faculty members are part of the editorial team. Over here, research papers are collected from corporates, academicians and even students provide their research papers. So, if you want to get a copy of it, the digital copy is available in the Globsin website. Read, enjoy and discuss with your faculty members.
We are in our MBA lounge. This is basically a student's lounge, also known as Nest. We have facilities for a few indoor games if you have any free time while in your campus. We have reached the students' cafeteria, also known as the Jonathan Square. We have Ashish from our administration team. He will explain all of you about this cafeteria.
Welcome to Jonathan Square. This is the main cafeteria. Various kinds of food available here and we maintain highest quality of hygiene.
Students, this is one of our hybrid learning classrooms. Over here we have high-tech facilities as well as an amphitheater setup. I'm sure you would enjoy doing your classes and discussing with your faculty very much in such setup and classrooms and Globes.
Hello students, let's see your computer labs.
In Globes Business School, we facilitate technology-enabled learning like Industry 4.0. We have two 30-seater labs in Globes Business School which has high configuration machines where you are going to implement the knowledge of artificial intelligence, IoT and robotics.
This is where students play cricket, football, badminton, volleyball and many other games. In fact, our annual festival of sports, which is Titanium, is also played at this venue. So students, this was a brief visit to our campus at Amtala. I hope you enjoyed different things that we had to show you through our virtual tour. We would have loved to have you at the campus at the earliest. The moment the lockdown is over, we'll have you here. Till then, take care, stay safe, have a good induction program and a great GBS learning in the years ahead. Thank you.